Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rajat and today on the occasion of World Environmental Day, I am going to share top 5 important environmental truths. Environment is not only about trees or plants. It's about the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the future we are creating. So let us understand why protecting the environment is important for every human beings. Truth 1. Nature works silently every single day. Did you know trees work continuously without asking anything from us? They absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, reduce heat and help bring rainfall. Forests are often called lungs of the earth, but today millions of trees are cut out every year due to deforestation. When forests disappear, nature slowly loses its balance. So that's why protecting and planting trees is not only a good habit, it's necessity for human survival. Truth 2. Fresh water is more precious than we think. Did you know most of the earth water cannot be directly used for drinking because it's salty ocean water? Only a very small amount of water is available for human use. But still, people waste water carelessly every day. Many regions in the world already facing water shortages during summer. This teaches us one important lesson. Water should never be wasted simply because it's easily available today. Every drop matters. Truth 3. Pollution always comes back to human. Did you know the air pollution, water pollution and plastic pollution do not only damage the nature, they also affect human health. Polluted air can cause breathing problems, plastic waste can harm marine life and animals, contaminated water can spread diseases. In simple words, when humans damage the nature, humans themselves will face the consequences. So that's why keeping our surrounding clean is not only social responsibility, it's self-protection. Truth 4. Even small creatures protect the environment. Did you know many insects and animals play important role in maintaining ecological balance? For example, bees help pollinate crops and plants. Earthworms improve soil quality. Birds help to control insects. Nature works like a corrector system. When one part is harmed, the entire system becomes weaker. This is why protecting the biodiversity is very important. Every living creature has value in nature. Truth 5. Environmental protection begins with daily habits. Many people think that environmental protection requires huge actions, but actually small daily habits can create big change. For example, saving electricity, conserving water, reducing plastic use, using dustbin properly, planting trees and avoiding unnecessary waste. When millions of people follow these small daily habits, environment becomes more cleaner and healthier. Real environmental change begins with individual discipline. World Environmental Day is not only a celebration, it's a reminder that nature supports humans' life every single day. And if humans continue damaging the nature, future generations will face serious problems. So that's why let us become responsible citizens and who respect nature, protect resources and create a cleaner future. Because protecting the environment means protecting the life itself. Thank you. Happy World Environmental Day.